Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from Canada to the US in 2025. Whether you're helping family, paying for goods, or handling international business, the process has gotten even easier with new tech advancements. Let's break it down step by step so you can do this quickly and securely. First off, in 2025, the most popular options include digital services like Wise, PayPal, or even emerging blockchain-based apps that make transfers faster and cheaper. Traditional banks like RBC or TD are still an option, but they often come with higher fees and longer processing times. For instance, Wise uses real-time exchange rates, which could save you up to 8 times more than banks, especially with the Canadian dollar fluctuating against the US dollar. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Start by choosing a reliable service. Download the app or visit their website. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one, verify your identity, and link your Canadian bank account or debit card. Next, enter the amount you want to send, select the US as the destination, and confirm the exchange rate and fees up front. Most transfers now take just minutes thanks to improved digital infrastructure, but always double-check for any daily limits or additional costs. One key thing to watch out for in 2025 is the rising use of AI for fraud detection, so services like these are safer than ever. If you're sending larger amounts, consider wire transfers for added security, though they might cost more. Also, keep an eye on current regulations. For example, you might need to report transfers over $10,000 CAD to avoid any issues with Canadian or US authorities. Before we wrap up, remember to compare fees and rates using tools like Z or TransferWise's comparison features to get the best deal. That's it for today's guide. If you have questions or want more tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.